Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to send strike-through text within WhatsApp on your phone using Android or iPhone. To make a strike-through text in WhatsApp, start by opening the WhatsApp app and then open the chat where you want to send the strike-through text. Next, select the text box at the bottom. To apply strike-through to text, simply surround the text with tildes. On an iPhone, you can find the tilde by selecting the number icon in the bottom left, then the icon just above ABC. The tilde will be there. Start your text with a tilde, add your text, and end it with another tilde. Alternatively, you can pre-write the text, add a tilde before and after it, then hold down the spacebar to move to the front of the text to include the strike-through. Once done, the text will appear with a strike-through, and when you send it, the tildes won't be included. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.